We're having an issue with our kitchen faucet, and I need to replace it. A couple of months ago, it stopped turning about halfway. I took it apart, cleaned it, and tried to fix it, but it still has a problem. Replacing a kitchen faucet should be an easy project to do. Let's fix this on Brew Build. We're planning on remodeling our kitchen soon, so I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a replacement faucet. I found one on eBay for 80% off compared to your big box stores. But before I can install a new one, I need to remove the old one. Replacing a kitchen faucet can be fairly simple. The challenge is having to work up under a kitchen sink to get to all the connections. Getting to the nut that holds the faucet in place can be rather difficult, which is why most manufacturers make special mounting hardware. I'm going to use my phone and I'll take a picture of the underside of the faucet so I can see what I'm dealing with. And while I'm down here, I'll also shut off the hot and cold water valve. Yep, there's a nut. And there's no way to get a wrench up in there. I remember having the special tool for this faucet. Haven't seen it in a while. Hopefully, I kept it. One of those things I probably kept for years. Then one day during a cleanup and organization day, I looked at it and probably thought, I don't need this anymore. Which is a good reminder to always keep special faucet tools with the faucet. Looks like I'm due for another cleanup and organization day. I'm going to take it apart again from the top side and see if there's any way to remove it from the sink. There is no way to remove this from the sink. And without the special nut tool, this will be challenging. So I ran to the store and bought 2 of their universal faucet nut tools, but neither of these are going to work. Back to the store I go. I don't think I was the first person to try to use this tool and return it. I could break down and purchase the special tool off the Fisher website, but I'm really disappointed in the quality and durability of their faucet, and I don't want to give them any more of my money. I think I purchased this about 10 years ago. I guess I was just expecting it to last longer. After all, this is almost 30 years old. I do have an idea that I think might work involving a hose clamp. I disconnected the hot and cold water hoses. This may require the use of 2 wrenches. My idea is, if I can get this hose clamp tight enough around the nut, then I should be able to hit it with a hammer and loosen the nut. It shouldn't take that much to loosen it, then I should be able to do the rest of it by hand. That didn't work. I flipped the hose clamp around and I'll try it again. Alright, this is getting frustrating. I'm done wasting time on this broken faucet. I'm going into destroyer mode. Destroyer mode. Destroyer. Not really how I like to do things, but I just need to get this faucet out. Haha! Hit the like button if you get satisfaction from destroying broken things too. And subscribe to Brew Build to see more of me fixing things around the house. I don't want to damage the sink, so I do need to be a little careful. Yay! Time for a little cleanup, then we can install the new faucet. This is the Fairbury 2S model by American Standard. It's a single handle pulled down dual spray kitchen faucet which delivers 1.8 gallons per minute. This has 4 hoses attached that need to go down the center hole, the hot and cold water hoses, and then the 2 hoses that create the loop for the removable faucet head. There is a rubber washer, a brass washer, and then the special mounting nut. Feed the hoses through the hardware, then hand tighten the nut on the faucet. I prefer this type because you don't need any special tools that you keep forever until the one day you forget what it is for and you throw it away. All I need for this one is a screwdriver. After getting the nut hand tight, make sure the faucet is straight and flush with the sink. Then use a screwdriver and evenly tighten the 3 screws in the mounting nut to hold the faucet in place. You just need the screws snug, so don't over tighten. I had to reuse the base plate from the old faucet because it was missing from the one that I purchased. Fortunately, it fit and I didn't destroy it. I also was missing the ball that weights the hose to pull the head back into the faucet, so I contacted the seller and they ended up giving me a full refund. So I've spent 0 on this project so far. You can't beat that. I just need to connect the hoses, turn on the valves, and check for leaks. No leak, we have hot and cold water. And speaking of leaks, here's a video of how to fix a leak under your sink, and one for moving an outdoor faucet. Thanks for watching Brew Builds. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.